Okay, today we are busting a box of 89 Upper Deck Baseball slow series. Obviously looking for the Ken Griffey Jr. Rookie. Maybe Randy Johnson. Not as exciting, but it's in here. If you get a good grade, it's worth some money. So we're gonna bust this baby open right now and see what we can get. 89 Upper Deck. Those packs been in there, let's see, what, 30 years. Long time, man. Long time, all these foiled packs. Let's picture look. All right, here we go. Oh man, these things are just like nothing paper, just ripped right open. Not like today's packages. These things are just nothing to it. Maybe because it's 30 years old. All right, we're gonna go through these pretty quick here. We're looking, you know what we're looking for here. So Jody Davis does bring back memories. Jose Abreu for sure. little cubby holograms. Cubs, that's cool. We need if we could hit an early Griffey, that would just be awesome. I don't know if that's going to happen, but sometimes I think you're lucky to hit a Griffey from what I've seen other boxes. Tim Burke. These things kind of, honestly, this is Pirates. They actually drive me crazy. Pedro Guerrero, I remember him. Joe Carter. Nothing yet here. Let's do a couple packs here. We got to get us a Griffey. See it? Cubs again. Royals. Sting. Hologram things. No, look at that. Ricky Henderson. Look how off-center that card is. That's crazy. That's why the Griffeys go for so much money in these some of these cards, because just some of them are just cut terrible. Griffey being the #1 card on the sheet. Who knows? All right. Mike Jackson. Terry Sheffield, Terry Kennedy. Nothing yet, guys. All right, we're going through these pretty quick though, so we're gonna get one or two, I think. Hopefully we'll get some good ones. Couple checklists. Rick Sutcliffe. It's a good one. Back in the day, good picture there. Jeff Montgomery. Kirk Gibson. He had a couple big hits in his career, no doubt about it. Man, I cannot believe 30 years goes by so fast. No Rizzo, Dale Murphy, Rafael Palmeiro. He got caught up in the whole steroid thing. I remember that. Well, we ain't got no Randy Johnson yet. No Griffey just yet, but plenty of packs. These old boxes, man, they had 36 packs a box. It took forever to open these things. Come on, Ken Griffey. Such an iconic card. I mean, even, you know, young kids know what that card looks like and know who Ken Griffey Jr. is. All right. this point. I'll be happy with the Randy Johnson. Plenty of packs to go. Whoa! Whoa! First Griffey. We have hit a Ken Griffey Jr. Definitely a little off center, but exciting to get one. Sharp corners. Might be maybe a PSA 8, I'm guessing. It's definitely off center, but the corners look sharp. It feels good when you pull it yourself. There it is. There's one we're going to sleeve up. Excellent. That just came up out of nowhere and pretty early as well. So there's Mark McGwire. So now we got some energy into this thing. Pretty exciting. That's awesome. Let's see if we can get another one. Yeah, plenty of packs to go. I already pulled a Griffey. George Brett, that was a good one back in the day. I really don't like these little circled holograms. They drive me crazy. Frank White, I remember him. Ken Griffey Jr. Even an 8, I think, goes for 30, 40 bucks. I mean, that's definitely a good card. Tough to pull a 10. Tough to pull a centered card in this type of a in this set. In '89, George Bell, remember him? '89 Upper Deck. But maybe we can get another Griffey. That'll be even better. I've seen boxes where only one Griffey's, excuse me, pulled out of the whole box. And that's kind of, I thought, the idea around these low series, but it doesn't always happen. Don Mattingly. Oral Hershiser, I remember that guy. Rick Sutcliffe. Honestly, that Griffey kind of caught me by surprise. I just didn't expect to hit one so early. Still got plenty of packs left here. Mike. Oh! Another one! Oh! Another one I'd say off center again, but you know what? For what we paid for this box, I'm pretty happy. Already getting 2 Griffies. Corners are sharp. I'm pretty happy there. Let's see if we got some more. Wow. Oh, no way. No way. How can you get 2 Griffey Juniors in the same pack? Another one. Look at that. The same pack, 2 Griffey Juniors. Yes, off center, but is that unbelievable? Wow. You saw it, right? Right, buddy? 2 in the same pack. I never seen that before. Man, we're on 3 Griffey Juniors. Well, my son Anthony's sleeving them up, and we'll show them to you guys after the break here. I mean, we're just into this break, and we already pulled 3 Griffies. Careful on the bend there. We already pulled 3 Griffies. None of them are 10s, but definitely not 10s. There's no doubt about that because they are woefully off center. But man, I am pleasantly surprised. If I ever open up a box of like 80s Flair basketball, I would hope to pull this many Jordans. They say it's what you're supposed to get, and I've seen it, but knowing that we still got plenty of cards to go here, pulling 2 Griffies out of a pack, I think that's pretty cool. Are we going to get another one? I don't know. See what we got here. We're got some energy going on here looking for these Griffies. Wally Backman, I remember him. Another Mark McGwire. Wound up being a bust with all the roids. Gosh, look at that card, how off-center it is. Just crazy. I feel like I'm pulling 80s basketball, the way these cards are cut. Either way, still a fun box to open. You can still pick up a box of this for $125 or so. It's, you know, for that kind of money, to be able to, you know, have some fun and look for a centered Griffey. It's, I think, better value than some of the other boxes that you buy of today's stuff, which is, you know, I still think overproduced a little bit. And, you know, you get a 1 of 10, but there's, you know, 20 other of the same player that are 1 of 10. You know, that's kind of the game they play. Back here in '89, they weren't quite doing that. So, of course, there wasn't autos on cards, which I think are really cool, too. All right, come on. Let's get another Griffey. Could we pull our 4th? We've already got 3. Kirk Gibson, Wade Boggs. Howard Johnson. I've been so excited to find a Griffey. I haven't really been paying attention to Randy Johnson, but I do not think we've passed the Randy Johnson. So, Cal Ripken Jr., what a great player he was. The first one I've seen of him. Dwight Gooden, he was a good one in his day. Are we gonna get? Oh, Harold Baines. I was a big Sox fan. He's a good player. Went on to be I think a first base coach for a while for the Sox. Not sure what he's doing now. And he probably got good 15 packs left, guys. So I think the chances of pulling another Griffey. I don't want to get too ahead of myself here, but I think the chances of pulling another Griffey are pretty good. Never seen 2 in a pack. Obviously, it's possible. I've seen a million players, a million times. I've pulled 2 modern day in a pack, but not Griffey like that. So maybe it's more common than I think it is, but Rick Sutcliffe, Mark McGuire again. I've had a few of him. Why can't we get another Griffey here? Buddy Bell, jeez. That brings back memories too. Anybody think we'll get another Griffey? My son Anthony thinks so. What's that? I think you said that like 12, 13 packs left.
Exactly. When you pull 2 in 1 pack, I think the odds may be lower, but you might still be able to get them.
You're right. Sandy Alomar Jr. I honestly don't think we've seen a Randy Johnson yet, so.
We have Griffey and Johnson.
Oh yeah, that's for sure. I don't really care to see a Randy Johnson. I just, like you said, I'd rather see another Griffey. All right, come on. Let's see what we got here. Jose Lind, Darren Jackson. A lot of these guys stayed in baseball after their playing career. Darren Jackson was another. Bill Buckner was another good example. Dave Winfield, Jose Lind, Oral Hershiser. He was a good pitcher. All right, we're getting a little lower here.
Literally paper.
Yeah, there's nothing to these packs. I just rip open. David Ortiz. Let's see. Come on, we need another Griffey. One more junior. I will be very happy to have 4 out of a box here. Dave Winfield. Yeah, let me know which one you think's the best center out of those. 3 Griffies so far, 2 in 1 pack. Shane Mack. George Brett again. Starting to see some doubles. All right, running out of packs here.
The corners are sharp on all of them, man.
Good corner? Yeah, that's
Yep.
good. That's a classic card. Oh, another one. Another Griffey Jr. number 4 out of this box. That's, you know, definitely off left to right, but, you know, little print mark maybe in the back. I don't know. Let me know if that's that little print mark there. See that print mark? Right there. I don't know if is that in all of them?
Yeah.
It is. Oh, okay. Shows that I know. All right. Let's see this one up. Wow, another one. Wow, it's 4 Griffey so far out of this box. None of them that I would definitely say obviously are not 10s, but definitely I think got our money out of this box. And maybe if I saw another box of this, I might buy it. Being from Chicago, we remember the days when Griffey was on the White Sox, and there's Mark Grace. And even though it was older, you know, he was older in his career, we still loved watching him. He was just so awesome, very graceful in the outfield. All right. We still got a few packs left here. Let's see, what do we think we got left pack-wise? Maybe 6 or 8, so maybe. I'm happy, though. I said I'd be happy with 4 Griffies.
You happy with one. You get more than people did in the whole box in one pack.
And I've seen guys just pull 1, which is makes no sense to me in a low series box, but I'm no expert in 89 upper deck. Nolan Ryan, it's like the first Nolan Ryan I think I noticed. Either way, this has been a fun box, especially 2 Griffies in 1 pack. These packs open so easy. There's just nothing to them. They're just literally, they look like foil, but they're just paper. Scott Sanderson. Cecil Fielder, remember him. Darryl Strawberry. So again, just joining us, 4 Griffies so far in this 89 upper deck low series box. 2 of them we got out of 1 pack. Will we pull a 5th Griffey? Roger McDowell. Okay, not yet. What do you think, Anthony? What's the odds of a 5th Griffey?
1 in 10, probably.
Ooh. All right, well, you're probably right. Let's see if we can play those odds and get another one here. Checklist. All right, how many packs we got left? All right, 4 packs to go, guys. 4 packs to go. And we got 4 Griffies in the first 32 packs. Will we get a 5th? Storm Davis. Okay. Will we get a 5th Griffey? George Bell again. That's why we put the Griffies off to the side.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3 packs to go, guys. 3 packs to go. See if we can get one more Griffey here. Mark Grace again. John Farrell. All right, 2 packs to go. 2 packs to go. Packs just rip right open. Love it. All right. Will Clark. First Will Clark I saw. And last pack of 89 Upper Deck Baseball. Will we get one more Griffey? That's the question. Quisenberry. Come on. Aaron Jackson.
Regardless if you get another one or not, it's been a good
Been a
pack.
good box. I'm happy with 4 Griffies out of this box. We'll review them in a second. Doesn't look like it, guys.
No.
All right. Well, here's our 4 Griffies. I'm gonna hand me each one. 1, not bad. 2, 3, and 4 out of a 89 Upper Deck box. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching. There's all 4 Griffies.